Feet hurt. From what? You only had to walk 2 blocks. It's a long walk, Dad. Back in my day, we had to walk 38 miles to get to school. What? Barefoot, up a hill, on rocks and broken glass, while fighting off the Taliban and studying for a test all at the same time. Where did you live, Dad? Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm gonna heat some food up. Oh, I guess you're gonna get yourself one of those fancy noodle cups or pocket hot items, right? Well, back in my day, we would only eat once a month. We had to share 1 loaf of bread amongst me and my brothers and my sisters, with nothing on it. We had to save the butter for moisturizer because of the constant 5-degree weather. You done? Can I go eat? Yeah, go eat, boy. All right.